Cloud computing security infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service providers access to fundamental resource and such as physical machines and variety virtual machines and virtual stores etc erupt from this those resources to the access always offers virtual machine disk store virtual local area network load balanced IP address software bundles. All of the above resources are more available and in user service and virtualization. Moreover, those resources are accessed by the customers of if they are on them. Benefit IaaS always the cloud provider to flip located and the infrastructural over of the internet in a cost of effective manner. Some of the key benefits and IaaS are listed below. Full control of computing resource through administrative access to BMS, flexible and efficient rating of computing hardware, portable interoperability property with larger application, full control over computing resource through administrative access to BMS. IaaS allow a customer to access computing resource through administrative access and virtual machines in the following manner. Customer issues administrative command and cloud provider to run the virtual machines or to save data or cloud server. Customer issues administrable command and virtual machineries they honor to started web server or to install now application. Flexible and effectivity run retaining of computing hardware. IIS resource search and virtual machines stores device bound with IP address. Monitoring service free wireless etc. iOS mode available to customers on rates. The impairments are based upon of amount of time customers retain resource. Also, with administrative access of virtual machines and customers can run any software, even custom opening system. Portability, interoperability interoperabilities without larger application. It is possible to machine learn between application and working load between IaaS cloud. For example, network applications such a web server or email server that normally runs of customers on server header can also run from BMS in ISS a cloud. Issue: ISS sharing issues with PAS and SSAS, such as network dependent and browser burn risks. It always some suffer fixed issues. Voices are monitored in the following diagram. Compatibilities with larger security vulnerabilities because IaaS offers and customers of larger software providers infrastructural it's expose customers to all of the security vulnerabilities and search larger software. Vertical machine is pro. The VM can become out of the data with response to security update because ISS always the customer of opponent and the virtual machineries in running suppo, uh, suffocated and offer state. However, the provider and automatically update such BMS, but this machinery is the head and complex. Robino list of VM level essentials. IIS offers an isolated an environment and individual customers to high hyper Hyper-Arbisor and is a software library and included hardware support and virtualization to split uh, a physical computer in the moni, mul- multiple virtual machines. Data access protocols. The customer access virtual machines that the drone use of common disk resource provided the cloud provider. Then the customer really research and released and research. The cloud provider must ensure the next customer to rent the resource does not observe data residue from providers customer characterized hire the characterized of issue service model virtual machines without proper installed software. Virtual machinery machines with proper installed operating system such Windows, Linux, and Solaris on demand variabilities and resource. Always the store compatibilities particular data of dependent location. The computing resource can be energy short up or down. Cloud computing platform as a service. Uh, Platform as a service offers the real-time environment and application. It also offers development and development tools required and developed application. PAS has a factor of point and clicks tools at the enable non-developers to create a web application. App Enist of Google Process.com are examples of PPPAS openings, vendor developer, many long of those website and user vertical in API created web web browsed and application, but it is destabilized of using PPS it that of developer clicks in without particular vendor of example application writing and Python uh, against API of Google and using app ensures of Google likely with, to work any in that environment. The following diagram show how PPS offers an API and development tools to the developer and how it helps uh, helps the end user to access business application. Benefit. Following are the benefit PPA model. Low administrative overhead. Customer need not bother and the administrable because it is responsibility of cloud provider. Lower total cost of ownership. Customer need not process expensive hardware, service, power, and data store. Scalable solutions. It is very easy to solve cycle and resource up of down automatically based of their demand. More of control system software. It is the responsibility of the cloud provider and many maintaining software version as installations. Issue like SSPSS always plus significant branding and customers browser money maintain reliable and secure constructions of provider system. Therefore, PPS share many of the issues of search behavior. Behavior, there are some suffocate issues expected without PAS showdown of in the following diagram. Lock and proper activity between PPS cloud. All other started largest long legs are usually eat of importation in protect of platform service may vary. For example, files queries of his table interface of the platform may differ from another, making of difficult of transfer work workload from on platform the another. Event based processor scheduling. The PPS applications are event oriented search process research constructed on the application, i.e. they have answer of free request of give an interval of time. Security energizing PPA application. Since PPAS application depended on network, they must explicitly use secret photography and manage security experience exports. Yes, character characteristic. Here are characterized PPAS service model. PAS offer browser between development environments. It allows the developer to create a database and edit the application code. Another via application programming interface and point and clicks tool. Paint provides beauty and securability and web server interface. PPS provides between tools for defining workflow, applicable process, and business rules. It easy integrate the process without the application on the same platform. Process always provider web service in interface that allow as a content the application outside of platform. Processing type p based of fund creations. PAS can be classified in four types and show down in the following diagram. Started alone development environments. Started alone PPPAS working and development independence entry of the uh, speaks fund creations. It does not include leveraging and technological dependence of on speaks SSA application delivery only environments. The application delivery PAS includes on demand cleaning and application security, open platform access and service. Open platform offer an open software that helps of providers and run application. Add on development facilities and added on PAAS allow and customized and sting SSAAS platform. Cloud computing software as the service. Software service model always provides software application as a service to the end user. It refers to a software that developed on a host service and is accessible via internet. There are survival such application last blow blending and invoicical system customer response relationship management CRM application help desk application human resource RS solution. Some of the social application are not customization such as Microsoft official site, but uh, but SaaS providers an application programming interface API search allow the developer and develop customization application characterized. Here are characteristics of SaaS service model. AAS making software enable over of the internet. The software application are maintained by the vendor. The lease of software may I subscription beside or usually based and it is bleeding on the recurring basis. SaaS application are cost effectivity signs. They do not require any maintenance at end user site. Their application demand. There can be slowed up or down and demand. They are automatically upgraded and up data. SaaS official shared data model. Therefore, multiple user can share single instance of the infactorial. It is not request and head code and functionalities for individual user. All user run the same version of software. Benefit: EasyLink SSA has provided provider to be beneficial in trim and circle abilities, effect, infactorial and performance. Some of the benefits are last below most modern software tools. Effectivity user of software largest. Controlized management and data. Platform responsible, managed and provider. Multi-tenant solution. Model software tools. The SS software application development request letter or non-click and site software installations which result in the following benefit: on requirement of complex software packaging at click site, letter of the rigs configurations and click site, low low distribution concept. Effectivity use of software liturgist. The customers are have single large of type computing running and difficult location. Such demands of location cost. Also, there is no requirement of large software because the software runs of provider infor uh, virtual centralized management and data. The cloud provider stores data secretary centrally. However, the cloud provider may store data in the including management of the shake shake of demanded responsible reliabilities. Platform responsibility and management by the providers. All platform responsible service backup system managed security hardware refresh power management etc are performed by the cloud provider. The customer does not need to bother and them about them. Monitored solution. Multi-tenant solution always multi user and sharing single institute of different resource in the virtual solution. Customers and customer can customize their application without effectivities the care functionality.